Hello, this is Chris Roshnot, 24K on Instagram and 24K on Twitter. Today I'm showcasing the 1More PistonBuds wireless in-ear headphones. These are not like all the others that are out there, although it's very inexpensive at under $40, which is great. It has 4 microphones, environmental noise cancellation, 20 hours of playtime with the case, and the earbuds themselves carry 3.5 hours of playtime, and it comes with IPX4 water and sweat resistance. So here's inside the case, but we'll show you some quick details on the back really quickly. So there you go, right here, some quick details. Okay, you can pause the video and take a look at that. So now going back inside, here are the headphones right there. You have some of the accessories on the side that come out. One is a little manual right there. And then the extra ear tips are included right there if the ones on the headphones aren't to your liking. And then you have the charging cable right there. This is a USB-C charging cable, which is excellent. And then we'll pop the headphones out of the case. There we go. So here's how small the case is. It's very nice. USB Type-C, we like to see that with these type of value headphones. And then inside, here the earbuds are here. They connect very quickly to the iPhone and Android devices. I've used them extensively so far, even on trips and travels, and I like how fast they connect to my phone, and they provide a really good amount of noise cancellation. I can't even hear announcements on the plane with these in, so that's very nice. Right here, 20 hours of playtime with the charge case, and 3.5 hours on their own. These are the PistonBuds from 1More, and I definitely recommend these for casual listening and for travel. This is Chris Roshnot, 24K on Twitter and 24K on Instagram. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and, of course, thumbs up.